So we have the honor of having Dr. Mohit Khatri and Dr. Mahindra from Kanpur at our Ikigami display area. Sir, I would like to know that what is the need of videographically documentation of your surgical procedures, Dr. Khatri?
Actually, it has, I think, bifaceted way. Our own satisfaction, our own record keeping, we audit our surgeries, and then we come to know how good we were, where were the pitfalls, and how to
Yeah,
improve.
self
So,
retrospection.
yes. So, for our own interest, I think it's very important. And once you are an academic inclination, then definitely I think Dr. Mani can highlight more.
Yeah, I think Dr. Mohit very rightly said that you have to introspect your own surgeries that you do. So sometimes as you do your surgeries, you may not know what wrong steps you had done or what things you put into. So when you record your surgeries and you see them, then you can analyze it. So that way, I think it's important, and also for for presentations purpose, it's very
As
important
academically, as I
have
said.
a good recording system, and also for educational purpose.
Absolutely.
If we have people coming to our centers and for education and for treating of surgeries, and so that also it's very
You will say you will agree with me that in the times to come, even if we say that it is a very good tool for marketing as well.
Yes, I know people are having their own channels. So, what will you show on your channel? Your own surgery. So, if you want to have an e-marketing kind of segment in your practice, then your surgical videos are the only ethical tools you can market. So, your own surgery, surgical techniques, any innovation if you have got. So, how to showcase that? So, videography is, I think, mandatory nowadays. I think every microscope should have a very good recording system.
And sir, how about having a good quality or a very good quality, so
Yes,
video?
obviously, better the better. So if the reporting system is good, it gives you gratitude, it gives a lot of gratification in your work. And once you present, you get more followers, more your fellows, and then you get more accolades in the fraternity.
Right.
So definitely a good video gives you more charm of the medical profession.
Absolutely. And
even a
especially
simple
when
yeah, I said even a simple surgery that you do on a good recording system, it looks
absolutely,
so fine.
absolutely,
I
absolutely.
remember we did a conference and Dr. Aiki was presenting his pieces, and even his simple step that he was showing in with such a neat and clean video,
Absolutely.
it was very fascinating.
And you
So
develop another skill, how to record and edit videos, how to give captions. So you get these days new apps are coming, Filmora and After Effects and whatnot.
yeah,
So you get to know something beyond ophthalmology also.
absolutely.
So you are more with AI and technology once you enter into this arena.
Yes. And sir, how would you rate Ikigami as far as the video quality is concerned?
I don't think so. Ikigani is like it's a big name. Everyone goes about it. It's synonymous with video recording. So you are doing quality work. So there's no doubt about it. And I would
And so, how likely are you going to recommend Ikigami to your colleagues?
I Ikigami is just a benchmark. I don't think I have seen anything better than that. 4K recordings from Ikigami are so crystal clear. Each and every blood vessel, the incision, the depth of incisions you can see, even in retroillumination, oblique illumination, all gets a very seamless kind of transmission through Ikigami. So whenever it comes to recording, I think if one can urge you to decrease the prices and make it more affordable, so Ikigami is going to stay with us for more. And I wish you people cooperate from the other side also, and we get more installations.
Certainly, sir. Thank you very much for your input.
Yeah.
And I would request Mr. Jaideep, our CEO, for a small memento. He is our CEO of Dr. Khatri and Dr. Mahendra. We have already met. So,
छोटा सा souvenir है sir. Just a small this thing.
sir, do.
First. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Our pleasure to be here.
Same.
So, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.